The Schlage BE489WB smart lock typically fails to connect to Wi-Fi due to its reliance on the 2.4 GHz band, router incompatibility, weak signals, or outdated firmware. This lock does not support 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Correct setup, firmware updates, and ensuring a strong 2.4 GHz signal are essential for resolving connectivity issues. A common issue is that many modern routers default to 5 GHz, so you may have to manually enable 2.4 GHz in your router settings. First, download the Schlage Home app and create an account. During setup, ensure your smartphone is connected to your router's 2.4 GHz network. Activate setup mode on the lock by pressing the button on the interior side. Follow the in-app prompts to connect the lock to your Wi-Fi network. Keep the lock within 100 feet of the router during setup and ensure no firewalls are blocking necessary ports. The Schlage BE489WB uses an older chipset that only supports the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band, specifically 802.11n standards. This band offers longer range, but can suffer from interference from devices like microwaves or other networks. Most modern routers are dual-band, supporting both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies. You may need to access your router settings to enable or isolate the 2.4 GHz band, specifically for the Schlage lock to connect correctly. Use a Wi-Fi Analyzer app to confirm the 2.4 GHz signal strength before attempting setup. If the lock fails to connect, check your router settings. Ensure that the 2.4 GHz band is enabled and not hidden. Some mesh routers, like Eero, may block unknown devices. Check your router's security settings. Confirm the Wi-Fi signal strength near the lock is adequate, above -70 dBm. Restarting your router can resolve temporary connectivity glitches. If Wi-Fi connectivity remains problematic, try an offline reset. Perform a hard reset by removing the batteries for 10 seconds, then reinserting them while holding the button on the interior side for 3 seconds. Alternatively, a factory reset can be initiated via the Schlage Home app, restoring the lock to its default settings without requiring a Wi-Fi connection to manage. Outdated firmware can cause connectivity issues with your Schlage BE489WB smart lock. Ensure your lock has the latest firmware version. Check for updates through the Schlage Home app. Firmware version 3.2.1 and later have significantly improved Wi-Fi stability. They support modern routers, addressing issues with router reboots and interference. The Schlage BE489WB offers alternative connectivity options beyond Wi-Fi for enhanced reliability. The lock supports Z-Wave for local control. By connecting it to a Z-Wave hub, such as Samsung SmartThings, you can operate the lock even without Wi-Fi access. Schlage added Matter protocol support, allowing seamless integration with various smart home ecosystems and reducing reliance on Wi-Fi. Consider Z-Wave and Matter as reliable alternatives to Wi-Fi connectivity. Smart lock technology is evolving toward greater interoperability and reduced Wi-Fi dependence. Future models are expected to include dual-band Wi-Fi and improved security features. As the industry shifts toward protocols like Matter and Thread, connectivity failures are projected to decrease. For the BE489WB, focusing on network basics and leveraging alternative connectivity methods will remain key to ensuring reliable access.